Hey, health enthusiasts! Welcome to another exciting journey towards a healthier, happier you. Ready to uncover a secret that could revolutionize your diet and transform your well-being? I've got something extraordinary to share with you today. Imagine a natural powerhouse brimming with essential nutrients, packed with nutrients and health benefits that most people overlook. Intrigued? You should be. This hidden gem is so versatile it can be incorporated into countless recipes. And it can be a game changer for your wellness routine, enhancing both your physical and mental health. It's not just about adding a new ingredient to your meals, but about embracing a lifestyle choice that can boost your overall health and vitality. Imagine feeling more energetic, more vibrant, and more in tune with your body. That's the power of this secret ingredient. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll learn about an amazing food that could be the key to unlocking a healthier you. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Now let's dive into some fascinating insights and benefits you never knew you needed. This is where the magic happens. Imagine a food that's rich in vitamins and antioxidants, helping you to fight off illnesses and maintain optimal health. It's like having a personal health guardian. This food can help you stay strong, healthy, and resilient against the daily stresses of life. It's not just about the nutrients, but also about how easily you can incorporate it into your diet. Convenience meets health in the best possible way. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent on the go, or someone looking to improve their diet, this ingredient fits seamlessly into any lifestyle. Ever feel like you're stuck in a rut with your meal planning? Like you're eating the same things over and over again? What if I told you there's a simple solution that can add a burst of flavor and a load of health benefits to your dishes? It's easier than you think. This secret ingredient can be used in both sweet and savory recipes, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen arsenal. Imagine the possibilities. From delicious desserts to hearty main courses, this ingredient can do it all, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen arsenal. You'll wonder how you ever cooked without it. Think about the last time you tried something new and how it transformed your perspective on healthy eating. This could be your next big discovery, and how it transformed your perspective on healthy eating. This hidden gem could be that next big thing for you. It's time to break free from the mundane and explore the exciting possibilities that a single ingredient can offer. Your culinary adventures are about to get a whole lot more interesting. So, what's this miracle food I'm talking about? It's something that has been around for centuries, yet many people still haven't discovered its full potential. Cherished by different cultures for its unique properties, you'll be surprised how easy it is to find and how beneficial it can be for your health. All right, the moment you've been waiting for. Drum roll, please. The incredible health gem we're uncovering today is rhubarb. Yes, rhubarb is not just for pies anymore. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, it's a fantastic addition to your diet. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to grab some rhubarb and start enjoying its amazing health benefits. Remember, your journey to better health begins with the choices you make today. Every small step counts, and incorporating rhubarb into your diet is a great start. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep taking care of yourself. See you next time.